So this is one of the most reviewed camping site here in Impasugong Bukidnon. So kung imo siya gi-search sa Google, it has 4.6 star rating ug na siya 29 reviews. So dili ra pud siya ina ng tungtong layo gikan sa Impasugong Tourism Center. So grabe ra siya ka-accessible. So welcome to Cliffside Camping and Glamping. So pag-abot na mo sa mismong lugar, dito dayon mi nag-adto sa murag binanganlan nila cafe and tiki bar area. So dito gi-confirm ni mga mong booking, then gi-prepare na din nila nga mong tent. So during our stay, ang napansin lang gid nako ni Ma'am ug ni Sir kay grabe sila ka accommodating and approachable. So supposed to be ang amo giduntang i-book is ang Whistler A houses. Pero since na fully book naman siya during that time, ang tent na lang among i-book. So daghan pa sila pwede may offer na accommodation besides sa mga gipanganlan nako. So if you want to know more about the details, you can visit their website. Maghatag og link sa comment section. So sa pag-abot nimo sa mismong lugar, like sugaton ka sa nindot na view sa bukid. So Cliffside Camping and Glamping is located in Impasugong Bukidnon. Daghan siya sada review or nindot na review, dili mahimo, dili to mamasag review, so mamasa tag review. This time dili na nako basahon kung kinsa nag-review. So starting with unknown.
Cold and beautiful place to go, nice to hide yourself in the city life.
4 star.
It was such a good and memorable experience. Friendly and accommodating staff, they attended to our needs almost immediately.
Again 4 star.
Amazing ambience. It was a perfect ending for our day trip in Bukidnon.
4 star.
Owner is very helpful and accommodating. The place is amazing.
5 star.
I strongly recommend this place. Scored 1,000 over 10 in aspects of accommodation, wonderful view, food, games, and signal. It was really a great experience. We'll surely be back.
5 star. So ang pangunta na unsaon pag-ani diri sa Cliffside Camping and Glamping. So simple lang. So if you have your own transportation, then you can just simply search it on Google Map, then you're all good to go. But if wala kay kaguling sakyanan or ga-commute ka like us, the place is accessible by Rela or habal-habal. Then if gikan kag Cagayan de Oro, then first sakay ka og bus from Agora Terminal to Impasugong Tourism Center. You can ride any buses na moagi og Impasugong Tourism Center. Pag abot nimo sa Tourism Center, you can ride a habal-habal or Rela going inside. So kadtong nangadto mi, ang pliti sa Rela is 100 pesos per person. So sa pagpadulong ninyo sa mismong campsite, magian ninyo ang usa ka luag kaayo nga pineapple plantation, which is grabe kanindot ang tawon. Grabe kanindot. So aside from accommodation, napod sila campfire area and napod sila pool area which is overlooking kayo ang view. So napod sila pickleball court, tapos mini gym, billiard table, napod sila ping pong table. So napod sila shared cooking facility. So dito pwede kang magsugba, mag-grill. So available po ilang internet, pero dito ra dool sa may cafe and tiki bar area. So pwede po ka mag-charge dito na area. And ga-offer po din sila food diri, both dinner and breakfast. So during sunset, mas ma-appreciate nimong lugar since nga kanang mas mutigbabaw ang nindot na view sa lugar. Ka cool way. Boy, naisunog boy. So as the night falls, the location becomes even more beautiful since na people will start lighting their campfires, tas ang uban magsugod nagstorya-storya sa mga random na mga topic. So it's very cool to experience this kind of ambience. Tapos paguman kami nakagkaon na lang po dayon may during that time. So sleeping time. It's 8:52, 8:53 to be exact eh. 10 checks ata. Uy. Akong drone, George. mayroon siya nga tent. So siminto yung flooring. So dili kay siya inana ka pugnaw ra. Tapos mura siya carpet ang iyang sahig. So matulog na. Good morning guys. Time check, it's 4:58 in the morning. So sa kabuntagon makita nimo or masinatik nimo ang kaanyag sa pagsubang sa adlaw. So after na ako maligo, nag-decide ko na mag-picture-picture me sa ilang view deck area. So nag-picture-picture me. After na mag-picture-picture, nagkaon mig breakfast. Ito mi nagkaon sa ilang cafe and tiki bar area since nga overlooking kayo ang view dito. So nindot kayo. So if I'm going to rate the place during our stay based sa accommodation, service, and food. So sa accommodation, sa cleanliness, limpyo po kayo ang lugar. So sa comfort, kanang comfortable po mi during our stay. So sa amenities, although during that time nagkulang lang silang mamog sir sa pillow, but wala kay problema since nga anad ng pug. So very okay kayo accommodation. Tas sa service, kaning okay kayo ang ilang service, tas approachable and accommodating kayo silang mamog sir. Sa food, kanang lami po kayo lang pagkaon. So overall sa first camping site episode nato, I'm going to rate the place 5 star. So dayon na mo uli, ingon si Aya nga mga lantaw din may rodeo event. So nang lantaw may, so grabe siya kanindot.
Nila pastikas sa side, mag-park.
Live on all the wisdom, listen young, find yourself tuyong ka.
So I guess I'm gonna end the vlog here. So see you sa next camping site episode.